Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in and ready. Open the Play Store now. Once the app is open, tap your profile icon and select Payments and Subscriptions so you land where credit is managed. If you have a gift card, pick Redeem Code. If you're using PayPal or carrier billing, choose Add Payment Method. Do this first because it determines how purchases draw from balance versus another payment source. Make sure the account shown is the one you want to receive credit. Now redeem or add a method. If you have a gift card, tap Redeem Code and enter the 16-digit code exactly, then tap Confirm. This adds value to your Play balance instantly in most regions. If you prefer PayPal or a credit card, choose Add Payment Method and complete the verification steps. Google may ask for CVV or to sign in to PayPal. Once done, go back to Payments and Subscriptions and view payment methods to confirm the new balance or active card is listed for purchases. Finish by making a small purchase to ensure funds apply. Select an app or item, and at checkout choose Play Balance as the payment method. Once purchased, revisit Payments and Subscriptions to see the updated balance and transaction history. If credit didn't appear, make sure your account region matches the gift card region and restart the Play Store app. That resolves sync hiccups. If problems persist, contact Google support from the app for a code verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.